Welcome back. Now I know we're used to going through and trying to stump the oracle, but after successfully running 50 CRMs, over 2,000 different sample matrices, and have 600 customers currently using the system that are quite happy, I think it's fair to say that we aren't going to stump the oracle. So this week we wanted to change things up a little bit, take a look at the moisture analyzer that typically goes with our oracle system, the Smart Unit from CEM. Now, this is typically lauded as the fastest, most accurate, easiest to run moisture analyzer on the market. But it certainly isn't the only one. There are plenty of infrared and halogen moisture analyzers out there that honestly come a dime a dozen. Each one might have their own little benefits that they push, like a touchscreen, automatic doors, and other cool things and features. But when it comes down to the results, they all work more or less the same. So I thought it would be a good idea to kind of take a look and do a 1-hour head-to-head showdown between the Smart Unit and one of these infrared balances. So in an hour period, we're going to run as many samples as we can and see how fast the system is, how repeatable the results are, and how much it's going to cost us to do it. So I'm going to be joined by two of our skilled application chemists, Kathy and Ed. They're going to help us go through, figure out which one of these systems can really hold and stand up to the test. Now, when it comes to wet liquid products, there's really no competition. The Smart's going to blow them out of the water. So we wanted to level the playing field a little bit. So today, we're going to look at analyzing a milk powder. Both units already have their own optimized methods, so we're going to see which one of these systems performs the best. Tester 1, are you ready? Tester 2, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's put an hour on the clock. Let's get to it. And stop! All right, it's been an hour. I know it felt like no time at all for you guys, right? Now, Kathy, I gotta be honest, you were looking a little bored over there. How many tests you end up getting in that hour?
I got 4.
4 tests. Okay. Well, I mean, again, longer test times, you're probably getting some pretty good data. You know, what was the repeatability on it?
That's about 4/10.
All right, 0.4 range. Okay, we'll see how that goes. But again, one thing I noticed is you kept dropping those aluminum pans after the test. What was up with that?
These pans tend to get a little bit hot after the test,
Well,
so they're warm to the touch, so I was just throwing them in the trash.
10 minutes at 100 degrees. I gotta imagine they're absorbing a little bit. But how much are those per test?
These are about 50 cents a test.
Okay. So again, got 4 tests, almost 5 in an hour, 0.4 range and 50 cents per test. It's pretty good. Ed, how does that hold up to what you were doing?
Ooh, I got 15 tests.
Whoa, 15 tests in the hour. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But again, fast test times, your results, how are they looking?
Well, my range was about a little under 0.2.
0.2
0.2%.
to 0.4, so twice as good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you gotta be paying for it somewhere. I saw you using these glass fiber pads. I mean, what are those things? 10 bucks a pop, 20 bucks a pop?
Well, these glass fiber pads cost 10 cents a test.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me do the math real quick. 10 cents per test. So we're 5 times cheaper per test, running 3, almost 4 times faster, and twice as good for the results. I gotta be honest, I don't think we stumped the Smart today. I think we got a clear winner. It seems like the Smart Unit is standing up to what we've been saying for years, that it is the fastest, most accurate, best moisture analyzer on the market. Well, thank you both for your time today. If you want to see your results and what we can do for your samples, feel free to reach out to us at info@cem.com. Thanks so much.